Picture this, 90 minutes of tech wisdom with a coach every single week for the next 9 months. Yes, you heard that right. You're one of a kind, and your learning experience should be too. My name is Laisha, Head of Developer Relations at Pesto. Since you're here, I know you want to learn and grow. And let me tell you, we have something exciting in store for you. And the best part? 150 plus live lectures by top software engineers across 9 months. It's like having the tech giants themselves right at your fingertips. No cookie cutter curriculum here. We've got structured program covering DSA, front-end and system design, essentials for any developer out there. It's not just about attending lectures. We'll set you up with 500 plus assignments to craft a clear roadmap for your tech career. But wait, there's more. At Pesto, we're all about the hands-on experience. And no, I'm not talking about Capstone projects. We want you to build real products with real customers. That's how we roll. Now you're as pumped as I am, so get ready to dive in. Book a demo call and give us an opportunity to show what we can achieve together.